This is Althorne station level crossing intro. We'll start on the side I am. I'm not gonna keep crossing roads. So we got our LEDs here, keep crossing clear. Trains run either way on each line. Hold on. There's only one line. Come on, Network Rail. Have some sense. So anyway, we have warning, do not trespass on the railway, penalty of £1,000. We have another warning, do not trespass on the railway, penalty of £1,000. With culverts, 40 miles and 0665 yards. Level crossing information, all for level crossing. West Grid Runs Tango Quebec 906972. Mileage, Whiskey, I think it means Wickford, Southminster, 40 miles and 31 change. We have there's the back of our lights, Unipart. We've got rubber pointing anti-trespass with rubber whatever it's called. And we have our LEDs here, keep crossing clear. To contact Network Rail, phone that number. There's that culvert. So here we SBX Rail Systems Barrier Dagenham, which is made on the 1st of August 2014. There's the signs again, which goes into the electric cubicle. There's a Bridge Marsh Lane. We got our LEDs there, keep crossing clear. Trains run either way on this line. This sign is right. Well, it says trains run either way on this line. Well, this sign, yes. The other sign, no. There's our info again. LEDs there, keep crossing clear. I think I mentioned that. So rubber and no trespass guide. There's about with our CCTV at the car.
Trains can run on either line.
So there's one yodel alarm. Here's our other yodel alarm. Big pink his. Driver's white light and emergency panel. This was the 1st of May 2014. Info sign, warning, do not trespass. There's our LEDs there, keep crossing clear. To contact Network Rail. And a little detail, a post box. It collected at 8:15 AM. Well, they ain't collected it because it's still got the Saturday posty thing. So this crossing is on the Coast Valley line. I believe that was called on the timetable. Have a look. That way is towards Wickford. And that way is towards Southminster.